Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. I'm Trupti and we are here for our morning maths class. I welcome you to Jatadhara Educational Technology. So children, let's get started. As you know, we are doing fractions. So today we will be doing subtraction of fractions. Now, how to subtract the fractions? So again, it's very easy. You just need to remember that addition thing. Do you remember? We did addition with fractions. So it's the same. Just the thing is you have to subtract. The process is same, but you just have to subtract. But here, uh, before I start with the topic, I would like to wish you all a very happy Children's Day, dear children. You are the future. So wishing you a very happy Children's Day. Enjoy your day and have fun. Now, let's get back to the topic, fractions. In fractions, we are doing subtraction. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Now, how to do it? What we were doing in addition was, we were making the denominator same by finding the here LCM. So LCM of 3 and 4, instead of that, what I'll do, I'll multiply the denominator of the second fraction with the first fraction and denominator of the first fraction with the second fraction in order to make the denominators same, in order to make the fractions like. Once we are done with that, see here 1 times 4 is 4, 3 times 4 is 12, 1 times 3 is 3, 4 times 3 is 12. So 4 by 12, 3 minus 3 times 3 by 12 is 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 by 12. Again, I would like to repeat the same thing. In addition or subtraction, the denominator remains the same. You don't add the denominators. The denominators remain the same. You just add or subtract whatever you are doing, the numerators only. Do not add or subtract the denominators. Right? So that's how we go with it. First step, make the denominator same. Make the fractions like. Once it is done, then add or subtract whatever is asked in the question. So here the answer is, yeah. So here the answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is the answer. 1 by 3 minus 2 by 7. So here again, making the denominator same. This is the fraction 1 by 3 minus 2 by 7. So here we have multiplying the denominator of the second fraction with the first fraction and the denominator of the first fraction with the second fraction. So 1 times 7 is 7, 3 times 7 is 21, minus 2 times 3 is 6, 7 times 3 is 21. So 7 minus 6 is 1 by 21. 21 minus 21 you will not do. The denominator will remain common, will remain same. Next question, dear children. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5. So here 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5, multiplying the denominator of the second fraction with the first fraction, 5, and the denominator of the first fraction with the second fraction. So 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20, minus 1 times 4 is 4, and 5 times 4 is 20 again. So 15 minus 4 is 11 by 20. 11 by 20 is the answer, 11/20. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. Come on, I want you all to do this, children. And let me tell you, we are live on YouTube. So kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates. Please like the video and share it with your friends. so that they can also take benefit of these sessions, which are absolutely free of cost. So please share it with them because sharing is caring. So let's do it. And if you have any questions, any doubts, any queries, or if you are done with your question and you want to answer, please make use of the chat box, the live chat box, and the ones who will watch it later on, means when it's not live, you can use comment section for the same. Okay, so 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. What is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5? Here, multiplying the denominator of the second fraction with the first fraction, and first fraction with the second, the denominator of the first fraction with the second fraction. So here it is 5 by 20 minus 4 by 20. Easy peasy. That's 1 by 20. Let's move on to the next question. If you got this answer, then you are doing great. Good job. 3 by 5 minus 3 by 7. 3 by 5 minus 3 by 7. Okay, so I hope it's done because these are very easy questions and they require only 20 to 25 seconds. So here, multiplying the denominator of the second fraction with the first fraction and the denominator of the first fraction with the second fraction in order to make the denominator same or make the fractions like. 3 times 7 is 21, 5 times 7 is 35, minus 3 times 5 is 15, and 5 times 7 is 35. So 21 minus 15 is 6 by 35. That's the answer. Good job, dear children. Let's go to the next one. 5 by 6 minus 3 by 8. Please do it. I hope it's done. Let's move on. 5 by 6 minus 3 by 8. You know how to make the denominators same. Multiplying 8, and here I'll multiply 6. 5 times 8 is 40. 6 times 8 is 48. Minus 3 times 6 is 18. 8 times 6 is 48. 40 minus 18. Here we got 22 by 48. Now, what we can do, dear children, here, we can reduce this fraction. Okay, how to reduce this fraction or simplify this fraction? We have already done that. But let me show you here. So I can write 22 as 2 times 11 and 48 as 2 times 24. 2 cancelled, it's 11 by 24. This can also be called as an answer because 22 by 48 is equivalent to 11 by 24. Yeah. Let's go to the next one. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10. So here, dear children, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10. You can also just, like, if you can see that 5 and 10 are, like, you can make denominator as 10. So I can just multiply here by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 5 times 2 is 10. I already got the denominator as 10, and I can see that both the denominators are same. So if it happens by, multiplying only one fraction with the number, you can do that as well. 4 by 10 minus 1 by 10, that is 3 by 10. I'll show you with the other way. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10, multiplying it with the number 10, 10, here 5, 5. 2 times 10 is 20, 5 times 10 is 50, minus 1 times 5 is 5, 10 times 5 is 50. That is 15 by 50. But then again, you have to simplify it. How can I simplify 15 by 50? I can write 15 by 50 as 3 times 5 is 15 and 5 times 10 or 10 times 5 is 50. So I'm cancelling 5 and 5. Answer is 3 by 10. Here also you got 3 by 10. So after simplifying, you'll get this answer only. And both the ways are absolutely right. You can choose either. But the answer is 3 by 10, or you can say 15 by 50, because they are equal in fractions, fractions having the same value. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. I hope after doing so many questions, now you are pro in this. It's just, it's like, it will go in cross. 6 will go to that side, 3 will come to the other one. So here, 6 is going to that side, you can see the arrow. As 3 is going to the other side, you can see the arrow over there as well. So 1 times 6 is 6, 3 times 6 is 18, minus 1 times 3 is 3, 6 times 3 is 18. 3 by 18. And I can write 3 by 18 as 3 times 1 and 3 times 6. It's 1 by 6. This is the answer. Or you can do it like, if it's 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6, how you can do it? Here, I know that if I'll multiply it by 2, I'll get the denominator same. So 1 times 2 is 2 and 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1 by 6. Here the answer is 1 by 6. 2 minus 1 is 1, 6 like that. So 1 by 6. See? Either way is correct. Like, either opt for this one or this one. Both will give you the same answer. And 3 by 18 is equivalent to 1 by 6. Fraction having the same value. So whatever, like, whichever way you choose here, that will be correct. Next one, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 means half minus quarter. Okay, interesting. A half minus a quarter. Okay, now I am doing it like this, just multiplying one fraction. I got the answer as 1 by 4. Or this will be like this, and 2 by 8 which can further be written as 1 by 4. Okay, both the ways are correct. 1 by 4 is the answer. Children, I hope you are getting this. The way we are doing it, the way we are just, making the fractions same and then subtracting them. Okay, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 10. So 1 by 5 minus 1 by 10, just making the denominator same. Here I can get, here I got 1 by 10 as the answer. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 10 is 1 by 10 only. Next question, dear children. Let's go. 3 by 4 minus 4 by 9. 3 by 4 minus 4 by 9. Let's do it. Okay, so here 3 times 9, 4 times 9, and here 4 times 4 and 9 times 4. 3 times 9 is 27, 4 times 9 is 36, minus 4 times 4 is 16, 9 times 4 is 36. 27 minus 16 is 11 by 36. And this fraction further cannot be simplified. All right. That's how you have to do these questions, dear children. And these are super easy. All right. Let's move on to the next one. Over here. 4 by 5 minus 1 by 10. Okay, so here I can see that 4 by 5 minus 1 by 10. 4 times I can do 2 because if I'll do 5 times 2, I'll get 10. So I don't need to multiply two fractions. 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10 minus 1 by 10, which is 7 by 10. 7 by 10. Let's go to the next one. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 100. Interesting. So here, 1 by 10 minus 1 by 100. No need to worry about this because, like, obviously we see the big numbers and we say, oh my God, how we can do this? But it's very easy. I'll just multiply it by 10 because I know then I'll get the same denominator. So this is super easy. 1 times 10 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. 1 by 10 by 100 minus 1 by 100 is 9 by 100. Isn't that very easy? Easier than the others. Yeah. Okay. Next one. 1 by 100. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 200. So what I'll do, I know that 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 20 is 200. So if I'll multiply this by 20, I'll get the same denominator. So 1 times 20 is 20, 10 times 20 is 200 minus 1 by 200. Oh my God, it's 19 by 200. Easy questions. Yeah. So yes, children, with this, we are done with our today's class. Thank you so much for joining the class. I'll see you in the next class, but make sure you practice, practice, and practice. And once again, a very happy Children's Day to all of you. Bye-bye, dear children. Have a very, very lovely day ahead. Bye-bye.